welcome back to the channel and a new video. So as you can see, just having 5 minutes. It's been a busy week, busy day today. Last customer's just gone, so doors are down, doors are locked, and brew time, biscuits, 5 minutes, leg up. So just having a chill out, but now everything's done today. Obviously we need to spend a bit of time with our Betty. Here she is, having a brew with Betty. It doesn't get much better than that. And also having a bit of a chill out on these ridiculously comfortable, awesome seats, which I'll tell you about in a minute. I'll show you actually as well. So yeah, I've got a few things planned today with Betty. So firstly, the sloppy gears that I mentioned, or the baggy knob as some people thought I should call it. I'm going to look into that and see what the issue is. I've got a funny feeling I might know what that is already, but we'll look into it together and we'll have a look at that shortly. Regarding the interior, it's still not growing on me. I've left it a bit of time and you know, it's just not. So I have got a few irons in the fire regarding that, and I still haven't made my decision as to what actual trim I want to go for, but I've stolen the trim out of Filbert. So the trim's going in Betty for now, just until we make a decision, and then once we do make a decision, then obviously the trim will be swapped back over. But in the meantime, I'm impatient, I can't wait, and I just want to know that as soon as I get my registration documents back from the DVLA, we can go cruising. So yeah, that's where we're up to at the minute. We'll see how far we can get today, guys. I'm going to try my best for you. It's already getting late. I think it's about 4 o'clock now already. And we'll do it together and see where she's, what she's got to offer us and what she's got to show. Okay, so these are the seats that I was telling you about earlier, guys. Steve and Ashley I've spoken about in the past from Ironwork Fabrications. They have made these seats for me, bless them. They're awesome. So I believe the seats are out of an R-Design Volvo, and they know my love for anything automotive, and they've come up with this idea and this design. So they've taken the interior, taken the seats and made a bespoke frame. They fabricated themselves, fitted the seats too. Everything's still attached, so you've got your recliner, you've got your forward and back. It's even still heated, the lumbar support works, and it all works off a 12-volt battery basically. I can't tell you how comfortable they are. And they've made completely unannounced, just came across with them, and I can't tell you how grateful I am, guys. Thank you, it's very thoughtful. But look at them, aren't they amazing? So I've basically told them that they should look into it, you know, advertise it, because I'm so pleased with these. So ideas, guys, any interiors or any seats that you think could be, you know, suitable for this, gaming chairs, whatever the ideas are, let us know and I'll pass them on to them. Or if you've got interior that you'd like me to mention to them, then obviously I'm more than willing to do that too. But aren't they awesome? So I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, so I'm not sure if you remember, but thinking back to Filbert, when Filbert arrived and we showed you Filbert, this interior had just been retrimmed. So happy days, because obviously it's immaculate. So this is the interior that's going to be going into Betty. There's a few other bits and bobs here as well, but we'll go into those on another video. But I just wanted to show you this and recap regarding the interior. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, I have stripped this partially already, because as I said earlier, I had a feeling that I knew what this issue was, and thankfully I was right, meaning that it's a quick and easy fix, and also the offending article is a really cheap part as well. So we've already ordered that from Burton Power, and hopefully that'll be here with us early next week. So I just wanted to share it with you anyway, so that if anybody else has this issue, then obviously you're going to know what to look for. So the issue we had initially was sloppy gears, basically. So what you need to do, like I say, I've partially stripped this already before. So take the gear stick out. So then you've got the boots. Take the boots off. 2 boots there. Right, okay. So if you can see there, the locking tabs, they're normally up. like this. So you basically softly tap them down with a hammer and drift so that they're down like that. Okay, just bear with me a sec. Oh, let's get these pliers. Okay, that should be loose enough now. Yeah. Okay, so that comes off like that. Just let me get my other pliers, long nose pliers for this bit, guys. So let me just see. So if you can see in there, obviously the oil is rank. So we're going to change that, definitely. That's not looking good. So we'll give the gearbox oil a change as well. Just bear with me 1 second. My goodness, I can't. Okay, so I'm going to struggle to actually show you where this clip comes out of, but what I will do is once I've got this out, I'll show you where it comes from. Just bear with me 1 second. Okay, got it. Right, so that, as you can see, isn't in the best condition. So that's the saddle clip, and that sits over the gear selector shaft. It's in really bad condition. So, okay, just bear with me a second now. I'll just get just put this down here so it doesn't go on the carpet. Right, so where's my screwdriver gone? Okay, so if you can see down there, guys, so the clip I've just shown you, the saddle clip, fits over there. So that's the gear shaft selector. So it sits over there. Okay, so let me just get the, and then that saddle clip fits in between here, and then that fits over the shaft that I've just shown you. So if you imagine the state of that clip sitting in there, then sitting over the shaft, that's what the issue is, and that's what we've ordered. So we've ordered the saddle clips. Hopefully they'll be here early next week, all back together, no more baggy knobs. Okay, so I've had to take this door card off only because Filbert's door cards are the 3/4, so it does show the top of the door. And what we needed to, as you can see there, so what we needed to make sure was that firstly, this paint at the top of the doors was in good condition. There is a bit of a scratch there, a little bit of damage, but we can touch that up, that's no problem. So I'm going to do the rest of the interior, guys, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and time lapse it because I don't want to bore you to death. So I just wanted to show you that. That's why this one's off. I'll do the rest, but as I say, we'll speed it up and try not to fall asleep. I'll show you the seats and how they come out. So it's exactly the same on the driver's side, but there's a bit more room on the passenger side, which is why I want to show you this way. So there's 4 10mm bolts in total. 3 are captive. So this one, this one, this one are captive, and then the one at the very back bolts all the way through to the floor. So a 10mm nut as well on the other end of that. So the rear one can be a bit of an arse to get to, if I'm honest, but it's manageable. So tools you'll need are 10mm spanner for the rear one, and then I'm using my 1/4 inch Milwaukee electric ratchet 10mm with a flexi head. So I just want to show you how to do it, and let's go. Okay, so the front seats are out, as you can see. So back seats now, so simple, guys. So just one Phillips screw in the centre here, just there. And then there's two 10mm bolts, 10mm nuts at the back that need to come off. Betty's got a long range tank on, so it is a little bit more compact, but that's a good thing. Okay, so the Phillips screwdriver comes out. Oh, easy Betty, sorry about that guys. Let's do it. Okay, nice and simple. Voila. So I might struggle with this because I can't get my leg in. Ooh. But that should just net. Oh, there you go. God, that was easy. That should just pull out like so. And then the boot. Bear with me, guys. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, so as I said earlier, two 10mm nuts. So this is to get the rear backrest out. So just two, there's one there at the back and obviously one on the other side as well. So literally to get the rear seats out, Phillips screwdriver, so I'm using my ratcheting screwdriver and 10mm, a long extension obviously, and my little gun. Let's do it. Oh, that's falling down the back. Great stuff. Right, okay, next one. Oh, I got that one. Okay, so them two are out now. Hopefully. Now, that should just pull forward and do it. Oh. How easy is that, guys? It's not like the modern ones, is it now? So to get all the interior out, all I've needed, sorry if I'm blinding you by the way, all I've needed is 10 mils. I've used my ratchet and my gun, but really you could have just used a ratchet and probably just a gun if I'm honest, with a flexi head. Phillips screwdriver, Bob's your uncle, and the spanner for the ones that go through the floor. That is how easy it is. Compared to the modern day ones, that is a godsend. Good job. Okay, so while the seats are out, I'm going to take the opportunity to change the steering wheel. I'm not a fan of this one, it's not to my taste, so that one there is going to be going on here. So, first of all, obviously check your wheels are straight, which I have done already. They're perfectly straight. Get this cap off here, just a flat blade screwdriver, thin one. Should get that off no trouble, like so. Okay. So then you've got a 24mm. So using an impact socket and obviously the gun. Important, guys, don't take the nut all the way off to start with, because once this nut's undone a little bit, you need to give it a sharp pull and undo this too much and basically you'll end up with no teeth. So just a few, probably that's enough actually, because I fancy keeping my teeth for now. Like so, that should be it actually. Right, keep fingers crossed. Yeah, that's good. Oh, bugger, it's stuck in there. Just bear with me a second, guys. There you go. So that pretty much is how we rock and roll. So other one on, obviously keeping as straight as possible. And a sec. Come on. That's got it. Always a good idea just to put it on by hand first so you don't cross thread. It's difficult to tell with one of these big impact guns. So that's got it started. Just turn that back round. Okay. So to tighten it up, obviously, keep your wheel as straight as you possibly can. Ooh. cap. Oh, that's the wrong cap, is it? No. Or is it? Yes. Oh, we'll get there, won't we? It's late now, guys, and all I can think about is my kebab. I've actually got a customer who tipped us and said, this is for a kebab at weekend. Them are the kind of customers you want. So since then, since Wednesday, all I've been thinking about is a kebab on Saturday. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So that's pretty much it, guys. Steering wheel on, done and dusted. Okay guys, so interior is done and it looks amazing. I'm so glad that I did this now. I'll show you properly in a minute, but yeah, massively happy with it. I've not really filmed much of it going back in, if I'm honest. Two reasons. Firstly, you saw it coming out. She didn't put up a fight. She was ace. They go back in as easy as they come back out. So you didn't really need to see that. Not only that, I could literally cut this leg off right now. It is throbbing. So I just wanted it done and dusted, but you get the gist. So interior done, looks ace. The center console, we have replaced that. I have a new knob, which is cool as well. So this needs to come back out, obviously, when the saddle clip comes, which I showed you earlier. And I've shown you it's literally a few minutes of a job just to take this back out, put that clip back in, put it all back together. But obviously this center console matches the new interior, so I wanted to get it done now. I'll show you properly, but I know you're going to love it. I love it to bits. So there's that. What's to come? The round headlight conversion, I'm going for it. I am going to do it with the lettered grille that I have now. That's here, so that's going to be a future video to come. When we show you the interior, you'll probably notice there is a few little bits and bobs. So there's a bit of trim, a door handle, just a few minor bits and bobs that I need to track down. So I'm going to get on that when I get home, and hopefully by next week they will all be fitted and she will be 100% done interior wise. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm going to go home and have this kebab finally. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. Again, views are going sky high, which I am so happy about. But subscribe, guys, please. Tune in and follow a journey. It's fun. You know, I'm having fun. I love the interaction now with my subscribers and my viewers on Twitter. My followers, Instagram, I'm still finding my feet with that, if I'm honest, but I'm getting there slowly. So just bear with us, guys. There's going to be more filming when I get a bit better with my leg, more filming, more fun, and she's not far off being ready to rock and roll. You will see us cruising soon. So thanks again, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Love you lots.